In this video, we will discuss how to create pop-up forms in HubSpot. To do that, first head over to your HubSpot dashboard, and once you're in here, just navigate to the Marketing tab. Once you have clicked on it, you can find the lead capture option, lead scoring, as well as other options. For this case, head over and click on Forms. Now in here, you can see the forms that you have created so far, or you can also create a new form that you want. So for this case, let's proceed to click on New Form. You can choose from templates, you can search, or also use other options available onto this case. You can customize this particular call out if you want, as well as editing the forms that you currently have. On our case, let's just right here this newsletter form. Continue editing it to your liking. You can also click onto this settings icon right there in order to edit it. Can choose form shortening, and in here you can see that you can automatically create contacts and also add it to your marketing campaigns if you have unlocked it as well. So just review and update once you're done. So if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.